Hi, Harley.
I was saying hi back.
Let's see.
Hello. That's the extent of my. Oh, hello.
You're really not a noisy dog, but you seem to be discussing things.
Well, I want to discuss the fact that you haven't given me any treats yet.
Oh, well.
Maybe that'll. Oh, see, there we go. That's all I needed.
Okay, good.
So. The couch isn't doing their job.
No.
Well, I want more treats. Can you put them all up here?
Well, I can't really.
Why not?
Because you'll just wolf them.
Well, no, I'll take my time. Look, see.
All right, good.
There. Okay, I even spit it out.
Yeah.
So I'm really special.
Yes, you.
So you guys got a call from the National Amazing Wonderful Jack Russell Association of the World, and they wanted me. And you said, well, no, we can find him a home. And so there.
We're able-bodied to find a Jack Russell home.
Especially a really nice Jack Russell.
Yeah, if they want a bad Jack Russell, we'd love to give them some of them.
But I'm a really nice Jack Russell.
But it's so kind of them to offer their services.
It was, but thanks, but no thanks.
Yeah, that would be true.
Yeah.
So we really like you. You're great with the other dogs.
Yeah, and I'm pretty.
You're pretty. You're polite in the house.
Yeah. I'm really just a nice dog that you shouldn't have any trouble finding home.
I'm sure we won't.
Okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Well, go get working on that.
Okay, I am.
Bye.